Hello everyone, Chris Jarzik, your Southwest Florida Realtor with MVP Realty. I hope you're having an amazing day. I certainly know I am. The sun is shining. It is another beautiful day here in Southwest Florida. I'm going to rush through this intro because literally every time I start, people fire up their lawn mowers or leaf blowers or whatever they've got going on, and audio picks it up, and I don't want to be standing out here too long. I want to get you guys inside to see this beautiful home. Currently standing outside of DR Horton's Freeport model. The Freeport is 1,499 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2 baths with a 2-car garage. This particular model is located up in Gators Circle, the northeast section of Cape Coral. So I'm going to flip the camera around, give you guys the tour, and get out of the sun and all of the yard and lawn work that is going around. I will put the specs for the Freeport in the description box below. So let's turn that camera around and give you all the quick tour. Welcome inside the Freeport model, brought to you by DR Horton. As I said outside, and I hope audio didn't pick up all of the yard work going on. 1,499 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2 bath with a 2-car garage. I'm going to give you guys the quick tour. Pretty standard when we come in to most DR Horton homes. You go ahead and pan over here, we've got a front bedroom with a closet off to the left hand side. It's not terribly large, but definitely hold some clothes and give you some storage. I see a lot of people that don't have families, single couples or married couples without children. They go ahead and use this as a den. Usually with these DR Hortons, you've got the bathroom in the middle, which, as you can tell, this one does not have tile. It does have the tub insert because this is more of a base model. And then as you're going into bedroom number 2, similar size and a similar size closet. And make your way over this way. We have the inside laundry with washer dryer and a little bit of storage space up top. You can always do cabinets if you want to take that rack out, but that'll work for you as well. And coming into bedroom 3, also makes a good den option if you don't have a larger style desk. Does have a closet. This would be the smallest closet of all of the bedrooms. So this probably would work for you depending on the size of your furniture if you wanted to use it as a den or a guest bedroom. Coming into here, we have a C unit, obviously brand new with warranties. They do give you a separate warranty that you could fill out for parts with DR Horton. And coming into the main kitchen and living area. Does not have granite tops like some of the higher end models do. Does have Formica, but should last you pretty well. Does have brand new appliances, obviously with it being new construction. They opt for a stainless steel package. Pretty decent living area with it being a smaller square foot 4-bedroom. So come on this way, we'll take you into the primary bedroom. Decent size, could probably fit a king, but to be honest, it's going to be a little bit cramped since it is a 4-bedroom. That is going to take away square footage from either your living area or your primary. And coming in here, we have a larger walk-in closet, only a single sink in this one, and a tub shower insert there. So again, no tile through here, it's just the insert. And looks like they're missing a tank lid on that, but you'll get that covered in punch out. Take you guys out back to see the small lanai area. No yard work going on. Well, in the distance, so you should be able to hear me. Small lanai patio, not screened in. You could definitely do that if you choose. there is room for a pool if you decide to go with that option. But this home is currently on the market, brought to you by DR Horton. It is the Freeport. Just to recap, 1,499 square feet, 4-bedroom, 2-bath with a 2-car garage. Welcome back, everyone. I hope you enjoyed today's home tour video. If you have any questions about this model, feel free to put them in the comments down below. I will go ahead and put some other home tours for you in the description box also. So if you have any questions, feel free to give me a call or shoot me a text. My number is 239-823-1685. Chris Jarzik with MVP Realty. Thanks for checking out the video, and I will see you on the next one.